Are your files hitting a digital brick wall when trying to upload to DeepSeek? Don't let upload failures slow down your progress. First things first, let's ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection is often the culprit for upload hiccups. Try refreshing your router or connecting via a wired Ethernet cable for a more robust link. Next, check the size and type of the file you're attempting to upload. DeepSeek, like many platforms, has limits on file size and may not support all file formats. Consult the DeepSeek documentation for specific upload requirements. If your file is very large, consider compressing it before uploading. This can significantly reduce transfer time, and the chance of interruption. Archives like zip or RAR are commonly supported. Sometimes, temporary data stored by your browser or the application itself can cause issues. Try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Or if you're using a dedicated DeepSeek application, look for an option to clear its local cache or reset settings. Another common fix is to simply try uploading the file again. Temporary glitches can occur, and a second attempt often resolves the problem without any further intervention. If you're still encountering persistent upload failures, it's time to check the DeepSeek status page or their support documentation. There might be ongoing maintenance or known issues that are affecting uploads for all users. And as a last resort, don't hesitate to reach out to DeepSeek's customer support. They can provide personalized assistance and help diagnose any deeper, platform-specific issues. By systematically working through these steps, you can conquer those DeepSeek upload failures and get back to maximizing your productivity with the platform.